Hello everyone, welcome to our course, Group Dynamics and Conflict Management, and my name is Dr. Kinde. I will be your instructor for this course. I am happy to begin this learning journey with you. I am an assistant professor of educational leadership and management at the University of Gondar, and I have also served as Dean of College of Education. Over these years, I have worked with students, teachers, leaders and teams of different higher education contexts. Through those experiences, I have learned that understanding group behavior and managing conflict constructively are essential skills for academic, personal, and professional success. This course focuses on two major areas, group dynamics and conflict management. In the first part of the course, we will explore what groups and teams are, why people join groups, how group structure and size affects performance, and how group behaviors such as loafing or social loafing, group thinking, and social facilitation influences group outcomes. We will also discuss stages of group development, group norms, roles, status, and cohesiveness. In the second part of the course, we will examine the concept of conflict, organizational conflict, causes and types of conflict, and practical strategies for managing conflict effectively. The course also emphasizes important skills such as active listening, empathy, negotiation, and mediation. This course is relevant because we all work and live in groups. Whether you are part of a classroom, organization, community, leadership team, or professional workplace, you will encounter different professionals' expectation and disagreement and decisions. Learning how groups function and how conflict can be managed will help you become a more effective team member, leader, communicator, and problem solver. Actually, to establish my presence in this online environment, I will begin with weekly welcome announcement and short video check-ins. This will highlight what expect in the week and ahead and give you a chance to hear directly from your instructor or from me. I will also be active in our discussion boards, responding to your ideas and encourage dialogues. I believe this approach will help you feel supported and connected, even though we are not in physical classroom. Seeing and hearing your instructor regularly builds trust, reduces isolation, and creates a sense of community. I want you to know that I am here to support your learning. Please feel free to ask questions, share your idea, and engage respectfully with your classmates. I look forward to learning with you and exploring how group dynamics and conflict management can help us improve collaboration, leadership, and organizational life. I wish you a fruitful reading. Thank you for listening for now, and see you with next classroom. Thank you.